Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Now before we even begin, I need to say something extremely important. In this video we are going to talk about how to attempt to disable automatic updates for Google Chrome. However, doing this is strongly discouraged. Disabling updates leaves your browser vulnerable to security threats. Please understand the risk before proceeding. Some advanced users might have very specific temporary reasons they think they need to do this. On Windows, the most common method involves disabling the Google Update services. To do this, first close Google Chrome completely. Make sure it's not running in the background either. Next, press the Window key on your keyboard and type the word Services. You should see Services appear in the search results. Click on Services to open the Services application. In the Services window, you will see a long list of services. Scroll down until you find two services called Google Update. They are usually listed alphabetically, so look in the G section. Once you find Google Update, right-click on it, and the menu that appears, click on Properties. In the Properties window for Google Update, look for the Start Type drop-down menu. It's probably set to Automatic or Automatic Delayed Start. Click on this drop-down and change it to Disable. After changing Startup Type to Disabled, click the Apply button and then click OK to close the Properties window for Google Update. Now repeat the exact same process for the other services Google Update. By disabling both Google Update services and services menu, you are attempting to stop Chrome from automatically updating on Windows. Close the services window when you are finished. If you have attempted to disable auto updates using this method, you must know how to re-enable them, and you should re-enable them as soon as possible. After whatever very specific temporary need you thought you had is over, leaving updates disabled long-term is extremely dangerous. To re-enable auto updates, go back to the Services application, Windows key, type Services, find Google Update. For each service, right-click, choose Properties, and in the Startup Type drop-down, change it back to Automatic, Delayed Start, or just Automatic if Delayed Start wasn't originally selected. Click Apply and OK for both services. This re-enables Google Update services. For your own security and the security of your data, please re-enable auto updates immediately after any temporary need is over. And in general, always keep auto updates enabled for Google Chrome and all your software. Thank you for watching, and please re-enable those updates and consider if you really need to disable them in the first place. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more tech videos.